you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I noticed a few questions happening in the teacher forum, and I wanted to answer one that I thought was very interesting. Somebody asked, for those teachers that teach more than 8 classes in a row, what do they do to keep their energy level up? What do they eat, and what can they recommend to other teachers? So I wanted to share what I personally make for breakfast if I have to teach 8 or more classes in a row with no breaks. I'm actually in a drive-thru right now, so you're gonna see me stop and go here. Today was a pool day because I used to hate Mondays in corporate America. So I invited my girlfriends over that also, had Monday off, and we went swimming. Now I'm in my big hoodie and I'm picking up some food because I didn't feel like cooking today. Tomorrow is a big travel day, but I wanted to share with you guys what I make for breakfast when I have a big day of teaching ahead of me. And what I normally do is I'll wake up 15 minutes before my first class. Everything's set up the night before. I'll just get a cup of coffee. You're gonna watch me pay for some food right now. And then when it comes to making the breakfast, I love protein smoothies. Hold on a sec.
So 7:46.
Hi, there you go. Oh my God, is this awkward? This is awkward. This is definitely awkward. Anyway, I do protein smoothies. I keep looking for him over here. And my personal favorite brand is actually the cheapest one. Thank you so much. And it's Nature's Bounty makes a chocolate protein, not organic, not vegan, it's just protein powder, and I really like it. 2 scoops of that with 1 cup of vanilla almond milk unsweetened to keep the sugar low, 1 frozen banana to make it creamy, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and then sometimes I'll put a dash of cinnamon. And this, you guys, fills me up. First of all, it tastes great. It tastes like a big Reese's Pieces protein smoothie. And sometimes I substitute a little bit of coffee in with the almond milk, so I have like extra caffeine. But this recipe is amazing. I highly recommend it. One more time, 2 scoops of the Nature's Bounty protein powder, 1 cup of vanilla almond milk unsweetened, 1 frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and sometimes some cinnamon. Put that in your glass, sometimes put some ice cubes in it, sip it between your classes, and you'll be good. Thank you so much. Don't judge me. Hold on, I'm gonna move my car. I'm gonna move it 10 feet and just park here and say bye to you guys. Let me know, since this week's, I guess, theme on my Instagram is self-care, VIP Kid Self-Care. Let me know, and if you have anything you share in your stories, put it under hashtag VIP Kid Self-Care. But if you are somebody who's going to go teach 10, 11, 12 classes in a row, first of all, I commend you. I am at a happy medium between 6 and 7 straight. Because I think of our time difference, people in America that teach online, we want to get in as many classes as we can because we already woke up at the butt crack of dawn to do it. So if you have anything that you like to eat before you teach a lot of classes, let me know in the DMs, put it in your stories, once again with hashtag VIP Kid Self-Care. And you should also do self-care. I think I have my highlighted stories that share like a pool day and getting your nails done, getting a nap. But that is the smoothie that I take. Let me know what you guys do down below in the comments. Oh, thank you. 6 to 7 is very good. It used to be 4. I could only do 4 in a row, and then I had to take a break. And I've gotten it up to 6, and now I'm doing 7. I am teaching 8 classes on Friday, but it's not going to be back-to-back. I've got 5 in the morning and 3 at night because I want to finish June off strong, and I'm going to hit about 20% higher than my financial goal for the month, so I'm very excited. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Let me know what you guys want to see down below, and once again, if you have anything you like to eat or drink before a long morning or a late night of teaching, let me know in your stories and or hit me up in the DMs. I love to see what you guys, especially those that have taught for a long time, what do you know keeps you full? What keeps you energized? What gets you going, especially if you've got a long trek of classes and you want to be just as awake and alive in the first one as you are in the last one. Anyway, I am off to eat this food. You just watched me get in the drive-thru and go watch the sunset. And tomorrow is a day off from teaching. I'm going to a theme park to ride a full day of roller coasters up north. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!